Hi guys, what happened to put microwave light foil in slow motion? I got my phone of the two recorded.
So the goal here is to get the tin foil to light that. To be honest, I don't think it'll be that big of an explosion. But we'll see. We'll put it. So we're gonna put this on 10 minutes.
Let's get high,
and we're gonna back up.
I
to
don't
be honest,
want to die. Let's start microwave. Oh no, my microwave has exploded on fire. I can't do anything, is exploded. That's all about it.
January, February, March and April, May.